Hi, I'm Jordan from Stafford Motor Match, and this is the Vauxhall Insignia Turbo D ecoTEC Nav Sport Tourer. It's a 1.6 diesel manual that has only had one previous owner. This car is super high tech and is amazingly eye-catching, and that can be seen in the LED daytime running lights, as well as your 17-inch alloy wheels in the silver finish. The silver goes perfectly with the red exterior colouring to make for such an unmissable car. The next car also comes with a chrome trim and chrome roof rails, as well as rear privacy glass. Now, rear privacy glass ensures the utmost safety for any possessions stored in the rear seats or in the boot. Now, speaking about the boot, there is so much space available to you in this car. It is long, so large objects like bikes, prams and golf clubs can easily fit into this vehicle, making this car perfect as a family car. Now, if you need any extra room though, you can fold the rear seats forward to give you that added space. And another great feature included with this boot is your retractable partial shelf. Now, that just ensures that nobody can see into the vehicle and see what possessions you are storing in the boot. You can have it all the way across like that, or you can have it where it comes down when the boot is lowered. Going into the underboot storage, you can see you've got an area to keep a spare tyre, as well as any small accessories that you don't want on show. They will neatly be stored here, and you won't have to worry about them rolling around and making a noise, as they've got a place to sit perfectly. Going on to your rear seats now, and I'm going to show you how fantastic they really are. They are made out of this half leather, half cloth upholstery, really bring that luxurious look and feel to this car. It also provides the utmost comfort for not only the driver but the passengers as well, so long journeys will not be a problem at all. The rear seats do come with ISOFIX points, so if you need to attach child seats, you'll have peace of mind that they'll be safe and secure while in this car. Going on to the passenger side now, you can see that you have got this dark metallic hexagon trim inserts that run across your door panelling, as well as the leather stitching there. It comes with a Vauxhall tread plate in a chrome finish at the bottom, and then again on your dashboard you've got that leather dashboard with the stitching and that dark metallic hexagon trim again. Just like in the rear seats, you've got the half leather, half cloth upholstery seats with dynamic trim that runs down the middle, really bringing all the details of the car together. Now, on your driver's side, you have got a driver's display, and it shows that the car has done 21,921 miles. It is also paired with the multifunction steering wheel, which includes a heated steering wheel, so them cold winter mornings are that much more enjoyable. So showing you some of the features that it can adjust. Going on to your driver's display again, you can see I'm scrolling through all the different trip and information that I need to know about the car. But you can also have the radio as well as your phone and navigation presented on the screen. So it's completely up to you how you present your driver's display. Now, another great feature included with this car is that you've got park assist. Now, park assist means the car will help you park in a certain space. So if you're not too confident about parking, this car will help you out, and it really does make such a difference. Just above that is your dual climate control. Now, the great thing about dual climate control is that you can adjust one side without affecting the other side. So if you like it hotter than your passengers, you can easily adjust it and it won't affect them, making sure that everybody is having an enjoyable experience. This car also comes with heated seats in the front, so pairing this with your heated steering wheel, cold winter mornings are not a problem at all, and you'll be nice and toasty and warm. Going on to your main display, you can also display your climate on there. So if you don't want to use the buttons down below, you can use the touchscreen to alter the temperature as well as the fan control. It's super easy to use and is quick and efficient, as you can see. Now, that isn't only the main feature included with this touchscreen. You have got your radio, where you've got DAB, FM and AM stations to choose from, giving you a huge range of different stations and genres to go through. This car also comes with Bluetooth, which means you can connect your phone to the car to make or receive calls, as well as listen to your own music. And it's a fantastic safety feature, as the driver won't be tempted to play with their phone while driving, as they can control it from the screen and from their steering wheel. This car also includes navigation, and as you can see with the touchscreen, you can use your finger to scroll through the different map settings, as well as move the map itself. Now, you can have the map up for peace of mind, or you can put in a destination if you're travelling to somewhere new. This car also includes your messages, so if you've got a text message, you can reply to it on this screen. When the car is put into reverse, you can see that a rear camera with parking guidelines comes up. This just lets you know if there's any objects that you may have missed in your rear view mirrors, and it clearly highlights it so no damage comes to the car. So that was the Vauxhall Insignia Turbo D ecoTEC Nav Sport Tourer that is now available at Stafford Motor Match. If you like the look of this car and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474.